Hello guys, welcome back to Stroll with me. So this video is a continuation of my previous video, which is Ikea tour. So in this video I have first started with the kitchen option, which is the most important thing to set up once you move in, and also can be one of the hectic task. So here I'm gonna show you different kitchen options one by one, then follow some other things that you may need for your home. So let's get into it. So guys, now I'm gonna show you some of the budget-friendly kitchen options. This is for somebody who are setting up their kitchen entirely from the scratch. So this is Arbeits platform, which means the working station, the top working station where you sit and stand and cut the vegetables. So here you have different colors. You can choose according to how many centimeters you need.
I don't sleep much at all these days, 'cause you always pick me up and let me down.
So you can fit your own kitchen. And here this is another cupboard option. It's 35 euros. So you can choose whatever kind of closets you need, whatever type of closets you need. And these are the drawer options, and in this drawer options you see all three drawers. There are three drawers, and three drawers are for not 7 euro. Otherwise you also have this kind of platforms. These are made of iron. You can also go for these options if you are somebody who move very often, so you can just have these platforms and then you're good to go. So using only these closets and using only this platform, you can make your own kitchen. So this is again you have to choose your electric appliance. Everything is without electric appliance, but this is one of the best option for your kitchen who are looking to set up their own kitchen, build their own kitchen. So you have to bring it, you have to build it by your own. Nobody is coming to install it. I can show you this kitchen. For example, you already have your electric appliance, and here you can get this kind of cupboards which I showed you right there. This one are these drawers, so you can get this kind of cupboards, two cupboards, and you can build this area. And then here you can take the drawers and you can keep your drawers, and you can just complete this whole area. It will cost you hardly 100 euro to complete this area. And again, this tabletop you have to choose according to your price. And if you want also the upper side, so you can also have this one. So this kitchen is under 2000 euro. That's what it's written, including electric appliance, and this is the cheapest one that they have. So it is really cheapest and exclusive. So unser clever, it's a clever kitchen option. So for the pinky girls, so this is a pinkish kitchen. 7,565.
0 for planning, 0 for often something, and 129 for
delivery,
and 1470 for fitting.
1470 for fitting.
So it's 9,000.
Ridiculous.
9,075.
So complete is 9. Okay. So with the fitting, the price is written somewhere here, 9,035, and without fitting, just for you to take. हाँ, 7565. Really, it's too expensive. I think this one can be a deal breaker, guys. 1649 is the total kitchen cost. With fitting, delivery, it will cost you 2476. So it's not a bad deal because the kitchen is quite big. You know, 2 people can easily stand and cook here. And I don't know how many centimeters is this one. I mean, it is a basic kitchen. Basic also, see how it's costing you more, even the basic one. So this is the fridge, including with this kitchen. And we don't have dishwasher for this one. So it doesn't have a dishwasher. So guys, this chimney, because you definitely need a chimney, and this is the deal breaker that I found. 19 euro is the chimney, and the energy class B. $8,000. 1189.
हम ये वाली भी ले सकते हैं.
देखो, this kitchen will cost you 5,399, which is quite a high price according to me, but you will get all this kitchen, whatever you see here, along with the electrical appliance. So here you have induction, and here you have the dishwasher. You will also get this dishwasher along with this price, and of course you're gonna get your oven, you're gonna get your grill, and then you're also gonna get this double door fridge. So I mean, it's totally worth it, but still you can make another budget friendly kitchen. Here there is another kitchen idea. So this kitchen is including again all appliances. This is 3,799 with all the electric appliances. Not the decoration that you see here. The decoration, the plants, and this little pot, these are not included. Just the electric plants and all the closets that you see here, they are for 3,799. These are all TV tables, TV stands. This lamp looks really beautiful, and it's for 40 euro. Another cost-effective option, if you are if you want to mount your TV, then this wooden pallet, you can just mount this wooden pallet and mount TV on top of it, so your TV will not stand here. So 25 euro. And otherwise you have another option, 39 euro. So this is the TV bank. And it's 54 euro. And here is another option, 54. It's not bad. This you can use for the decoration. and it's cost you €8. And these are nails if you want for the walls, and it's €5.
Then if we give in what we want to what we want. There's a party downtown.
Complete price. This table is 30 and each chair is 10, so the complete set it will be for €70. Okay guys, there is one more option in the dining table. €79 is this dining table, and it is hardly a 4-seater, and it is extendable. You can also collapse it and it will become 2-seater. So 79 is not a bad option, but yeah, it depends like what you want. It looks okay. It doesn't look fancy, but it is fine. This chair is for €40.
And I always pick you up and let you down. We're spinning around, losing our minds. And if we do, then if we don't, then if we give in what we want to what we want, to what we want.
Here, as you know, in Germany, you have to segregate your garbage. So they have this difficult garbage system, I can say. You have to throw your, bio, plastic, paper, glass in different bins. So that's why this is the best garbage option. Each garbage is costing you 6.99. I think this is for bio because it has holes, and this is for normal, either for the paper or plastic. It costs you 5. And if you want this rail, if you want your dustbins to move like this, then you have this for 19.99, where you can set the rail, and the dustbin costs you separately. But yeah, this is a good option, and here you can store your cleaning supplies.
Let me know when you're here, meet me up for a smoke outside. I regret what I said, didn't mean it. Yeah, believe me, I guess I'll take it back. There's a party downtown, someone said that you're coming by. I know that summer was a big mistake. I just hope that we're still okay. You always pick me up and